National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County, Mercer County, Whiteside County, Henry County, Western Bureau County, Louisa County, Southern Cedar County, Scott County, Southern Johnson County, Washington County, Muscatine County, Southeastern Clinton County, until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Charlotte to near Rochester to Amana, moving south at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Davenport, Iowa City, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Muscatine, East Moline, Sterling, Kewanee, Rock Falls, Washington, Morrison, Aledo, Cambridge, Wapello, Columbus Junction, Durant, Silvis, Geneseo, and Eldridge. If you are at Henry County Fairgrounds in Cambridge or Davenport Airport, you should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 276 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 45. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 33. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 43. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. Take cover now. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.